everyone, welcome to epicartdesigns.com. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this gatefold. But before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and you like this video to see more content like this. Okay guys, so let's get into the video. The first thing I want to start off by saying is this is a 17 by 11 inch canvas size. This is the size we use to print on our gatefolds. I will insert a clip at the top of how one of our gatefolds looks. So this is tested and it works for gatefolds. So the first thing that we're going to do is measure out our folds using Canva guides. And you just want to make sure that your guides are turned on by going to the top left corner where you see File, View Settings, and Show Rulers and Guides. Make sure that that is checked. So I'm going to go ahead and drag my first guide to 4.391, and this is going to be that first fold in your gatefold. So now I'm going to go ahead and take another guide from that same direction. I'm going to set it to 12.614, and do not hesitate to zoom in because it's very hard to get it exactly how you want it, like just like this. So you see me struggling, but eventually I zoom in to get it right. By the way guys, you can use the guides with the free version of Canva, but if you did want to skip these steps, go ahead over to our website where I have a free template with these guides already set into place for you. All you have to do is add your elements. So go ahead and click the link in the description to access this template. And this is the finished look, guys. So now we have to start adding our elements. And if you haven't watched my other videos already, go ahead and watch that. But I always like to start with the background. It really just helps me figure out the whole design. It's just like if you start off with a good base, then your obituary, your program is going to come out awesome. Also, keep in mind that when you are designing a booklet, especially or a gatefold, you want to know where you want your front page or your main image and where you want just the side image, especially for a gatefold because it's really confusing. So I'm making sure that if I want my main photo to be on the left side of my booklet, I'll make sure that I design it on the right end because eventually I know that this is going to fold in. So it might sound confusing, but just keep that in mind. And if you have any questions about what I just said, please leave a comment below because it might sound a little bit confusing. So since we do sell these gatefolds or booklet templates in general, I have to make it as simple as possible while at the same time making it look great. And if you are following along with me at home, it has to be very simple for you guys as well. So I'm still adding the backgrounds, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and get a transparent gradient. These are like my favorite things to use when it comes to blending. And if you haven't already, check out my video. I'll show you how you can blend with these gradients. I like to try a few different things. I'll turn my gradient to the side and see if that works, but if not, I'll just do it my normal way. I'm all about trying new things actually, so you'll see me kind of go with something and then I'll be like, nah, I don't really want it. So now that I have my gradients, I do like to go ahead and add my picture. So I did use Canva background remover, but however, if you don't have the pro version of Canva, go ahead and go to remove.bg. I will link it in the description. It is a free background remover and you do not have to make an account. You just go ahead and drop your photo in there and then the background is removed. If you want to see a tutorial on this, check out my channel and you will see where I actually go onto the website and do that. Okay guys, so the rest of this is pretty much easy. I'm going to be blending out my picture. I'm adding transparent gradients to where I feel like it's necessary. Also, I'm going to be adding text. You will see me kind of copying it from another design, and this is my design. It would be very inconvenient for me to retype this, but I will tell you the fonts that I'm using. So for the cursive font, it's going to be Slope Script Pro. And then for the font where the last name is, it's called Senzel. I will have it on the screen if I'm pronouncing it wrong. And then like the life reflection fonts and the power bearers will be Caldela. I think I'm saying it right. I will write it on the screen. So I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and watch this time lapse of me doing the rest. And I'll meet you at the end. And that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you want the free gatefold layout using Canva, go ahead and check the link in the description for that as well. And for this template, click the link in the description. Make sure that you are subscribed and you check this, like this video. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video.